Passiflora incarnata, a very important medicine when there is a cerebral irritation or whenever there is a typical tonic spasms. So Passiflora is one of the very important medicines which is working as an antispasmodic ones. Along with that, it is having a very good efficacy to reduce the irritation, and that makes Passiflora is one of the very efficient medicines for the sleeplessness. तो जब भी हमारे पास स्लीपलेसनेस के पेशेंट्स आते हैं, आपको तो मालूम ही होगा कि अगर हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मेडिसिन्स को प्रिस्क्राइब करने की दिशा में सोचते हैं तो वी कैन थिंक अबाउट वी कैन टेक द कंप्लीट केस एंड देन वी विल फाइंड अ pure core problem of a patient which doesn't let them sleep, and then at the end of the day, when the moment we come to some important medicine, we can prescribe, and then the person will sure it will be helpful to sleep to a patient, to induce a sleep into the patient. But the important thing is कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आपके पास enough symptoms नहीं है suppose, and if you want to give some therapeutic prescription in the case of the sleeplessness, or there are many times like geriatric patients, very old age patients, or very young kids, but they are not having a tendency to fall asleep. So Passiflora, just like जैसे there are many homeopaths who give Kali phosphoricum in a decimal potency, in a similar way, in the form of mother tincture, Passiflora incarnata is one of the very good medicine for inducing the sleep. It is known as a passion flower. And it is very interesting that just like a passion flower, there is also a passion fruit, which is also a very important therapeutic substance we have. On some day we'll talk about it, but today we'll just talk about Passiflora. As it is written in the Materia Medica part, it is an efficient antispasmodic medicine. It's a whooping cough. It's for whooping cough. Then morphine habit. It is important medicine to reduce the morphine habit in the patient. Then delirium tremens, convulsions in children, neuralgia, and it is having a quietening effect over the nervous system. So this is the most unique feature of Passiflora. The very basic, as the name suggests, although the spelling is very much different, but the idea is that just like the name Passiflora is there, you can consider it pacifies. It pacifies the nervous system. So insomnia produces a normal sleep, no disturbance of cerebral functions, neurosis of children, warm fever, teething and spasms, tetanus, hysteria, puerperal convulsions, painful diarrhea, acute manias, atonic condition generally present, asthma, where in Dr. Borik's Materia Medica, even the doses are also being mentioned that 10 to 30 granules every 10 minutes for a few doses locally in erysipelas. So it is also a good medicine for the erysipelas as a local use as well. So I will just right now read the sleep part of it. Restlessness and wakeful, resulting from exhaustion, especially in the feeble, infants and the aged. So as I told you very initially कि जैसे कि जेरियाट्रिक ओल्ड एजेड पेशेंट है या तो बच्चे हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा एग्जॉशन हुआ है पर वेकफुलनेस है, बार बार उठ जाते हैं नींद में से, या तो रेस्टलेस स्लीप है, Passiflora pacifies. So as I told that insomnia of infants and the aged and the mentally worried and overworked with tendency to convulsions and nocturnal cough. So that's all about the Passiflora. There are some other Materia Medica shows some other things too, but academically if you will focus upon, then Passiflora is a good medicine to induce sleep. Therapeutically also if we think, then Passiflora mother tincture can become a very important sleep remedy for the patient.